All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about right now. The Yoruba Nation agitators, the Yoruba Nation movement, and the rest of the strong Yoruba Nation agitator that actually wants Yoruba Nation to be actualized have come out to make it clear. In fact, they have sent a strong warning to Dupe Dagboru. Dupe Onitiri, according to what the people are saying, return our Yoruba Nation money. Stop saying be rest assured. Dupe Dagboru aka be rest assured. Return our money. Why are you hiding? Why are you deceiving yourself? Well, a lot of things are actually happening. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things have been said by this woman. You understand that the Yoruba Nation movement, that a lot of people actually have mind in. Up to now, Yoruba Nation has not been actualized, and a lot of people have made it clear that if not for the fact that this woman who called herself Dupe Onitiri came into the picture, and then she actually came and scattered the whole movement. Right now, a lot of the messages we have been sending have reached her. Now, a lot of people had made it clear after they have exposed her identity, her location. Now she's scared. She's now coming out to threaten the people that she will be arresting them, that she will be dealing with them one after the other. Well, we don't know who and who she's actually sending. She called on everyone, to the extent call on the people in United States of America, US, the people in UK, United Kingdom, the people in Germany, people in Burkina Faso. He said they should be rest assured that they will be picking them one after the other. Well, my brother, my sister, right now we already know that this woman is actually a strong agbayawu. Hey, it's not funny at all. In fact, my brother, my sister, a lot of things are going on. You can imagine. After she has seen that she has been caught, she has seen it that there is no more going back for her. There is no way she can escape it. The next thing, she's now coming out to threaten the people. The Yorubas will say, "Aitete mole, ole mole ko." Right now, she's not like, why is it that they are looking for her everywhere? What is their problem? In fact, she made mention of something that before now she had been doing meeting. A lot of people know her. Everybody with her, we know ourselves. And the people are not like, ourselves, but we know ourselves, but we don't know you now. If you say we know ourselves, but we don't know you, where was the time you came out that people met you, that you said we know ourselves? Right now, everything we say right now is reaching out. No doubt. We have been saying it. We have been saying all the number of shares we have been getting. People have been sharing it to her. She's reaching out. But these messages we are saying, don't take it for granted. It's actually reaching a lot of people. When I check all the analytics from Facebook, the number of people that any job we do get to, I'm always shocked. A lot of people listening to us like this, even you listening, I know one of you must have shared the job. They've been sharing our job everywhere, and then they have shared it to Dupe Onidoti. So we are not scared. She's saying everywhere we are. People in Burkina Faso, be rest assured. People in UK, be rest assured, we are coming for you. A lot of people are not like, wait, so you are saying they should be rest assured that you have checked them down, you will get them. Which one is be rest assured? The people are like, you already have our data now. Maybe you collected all the petitions, so why are you now wasting time? Must you loud it? Anybody that wants to do anything, my brother, my sister, will not loud it. You will just you just catch them by surprise. Which one is be rest assured? Be rest assured. In fact, Dupe Onidoti aka scammer aka be rest assured is your name henceforth. Right now, my brother, my sister, don't listen to anybody. The fact remains that some set of people have been destined to destroy things. Yes, somebody like Dupe Onitiri. In fact, I don't know. A lot of people are hungry. What are the Yoruba Nation agitators actually waiting for? What are these people actually waiting for that they have not gotten her arrested? Why is a location that difficult, to get, that she is still somewhere? In fact, some people said she has left where she was staying since she noticed that they were coming for her. So all this one she's sending online, be rest assured, now story. Who is the criminal? They will now ask you that what was their offense that you are telling us to go and arrest them, if not that she's actually working with criminals. Who are those people you are sending to them? You want to send higher assassin to these people to go and get them down? They will ask you what was their offense. You say, because they did not believe you, or what? I don't understand. The question, in fact, the problem right now is this: what is actually going on in this Yoruba Nation movement? Is it the agitators that Dupe Onitiri is sent to work against, or the federal government? The same Yoruba Nation agitator that you said we are working together, are they the ones you are sent to bring down? Because we don't get it. Because these people are telling you the truth and we are saying it, the people are not like, send back our money. You want to arrest the people that you collected money from. You stole their money. I don't understand. Return their money, because we have seen it all. All the millions of dollars you collected from these people, the only thing you can give them, the only security you promise, you are going to provide security that will fight for Yoruba Nation movement. We don't understand. The only people we saw were people you gave 20,000 naira. So what did you do? Did you use the money for? You are saying be rest assured, be rest assured. My brother, my sister, it is not funny at all. It is not funny at all. Majority of people have actually reacted in different forms. That stop listening to this woman. Stop listening to her. She's Agba Yahoo. Okay, well, according to, in fact, I'm going to take some comment coming here. Okay, well, I think I have a lot of them. Yeah, this woman is mad though. May God protect her. It's a serious case and not normal for her again. You see, people are not like, all these things this woman is saying, it's not normal. That God, in fact, we pray for God protection. That's one thing I love the Yoruba people with. When no matter what, when they see that, even when you are trying to destroy them, they will still have pity on you. So that's exactly what we are getting here. This person is saying we should pray for God's protection because this one is not normal. This woman is not in her right senses. That's so serious. Well, according to Ajibade, this one is saying that this Onidoti woman na real scammer of life. Wallahi, you see, a lot of people have gotten her that she's a real scammer. That this woman, don't go there. If somebody is telling you that this woman is real, or some set of people who are still following her, maybe there must be a reason. There must be a reason. Something is added. Because with all these things that is going on, that we are seeing, somebody will still come out from nowhere to say she will arrest the people. Who is supposed to be arrested, if not you? Who is that person that is supposed to be arrested? Right now, this woman actually, in fact, to me, she has passed her boundary. Yes. She has passed her boundary. But you have all our 5 million data with you. You are just scared. Irolabi. You can imagine. People are of the opinion that this woman, nobody can lie up to this woman. Well, the fact remains that somebody just said something that I just saw right now, and then I think I've said it before. The Yoruba people should not get distracted. Everything this woman is into is to just get the people distracted. If you know the right thing to do, let us just face the Yoruba Nation squarely. Let us look for our way forward. Listening to this woman is a big distraction. How long are we going to continue like this? On a daily basis, the people are suffering, and we need to do something about it. Yoruba nation no going back, exactly what it is. All right, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.